Want to see what's hot on TikTok in another country? Or maybe you're a content creator looking to connect with a wider audience. Changing your TikTok region can help. TikTok doesn't offer a straightforward region switch option within the app itself. In other words, there's no simple toggle to move your account from one country to another. Instead, TikTok uses signals like your IP address, SIM region, device language, and engagement patterns to decide which content appears on your For You page. There are a couple of workarounds that I've tried that you can also try to manipulate TikTok to show you content from a different region. The first one is to adjust your language settings in TikTok. To do this, go to your profile by tapping the bottom right profile icon. Click here the menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Look below the Content and Display. Find Language. Then click on it. On some versions it might be in Language and Region. Tap on App Language and select the language that matches the region you're interested in. For example, if you want to see more content from Japan, add Japanese as a preferred language. Once done, go back to Home and refresh the page. This mostly targets language-based content, but it might also draw in region-specific videos. The next workaround is to change your device's language and region settings. TikTok looks at your device's default language and region. If you adjust these system-wide settings, you can influence the content you receive. To do this, go to your device's settings. Tap on General. Scroll down and find Language and Region. To proceed, select the region you want. If your phone allows it, find the region setting and choose the country just like I did with TikTok earlier when I selected Japan. Now add or reorder the iPhone language so the language you want to see appears higher on the list. Click on this button. Then choose the language. After changing your phone's language or region, open TikTok. Watch a few local videos in that language or region and engage with them with likes and comments so TikTok's algorithm adapts faster. TikTok, like many apps, uses your IP address to determine your general location. This allows them to show you content that's popular in your region. However, this can be limiting if you want to see content from other parts of the world. A VPN creates a secure connection, routing your internet traffic through a server in a different location. This hides your real IP address, making it appear as if you're browsing from the server's location. Connecting to a VPN server in another country can trick TikTok into showing you region-specific content. For example, if you want to see what's trending in Japan, you can connect to a VPN server in Japan and TikTok will show you Japanese content. Make sure you've downloaded and installed the VPN on your device. If not yet, you can get it on the App Store. Now open the app, sign into your account, and connect to a server in your desired country. If you're trying to target a specific location, for example, Tokyo, use the countries list in NordVPN to pick a closer server rather than the standard Quick Connect. Afterward, go back to TikTok, refresh the page, and then you can now browse videos from the region you want to watch.